Hello there everyone, you are listening to Jasbir, Kaur, and today we are going to start with our new topic, which is measurement. Now, why do we use measurement? Do you know anybody? Actually, in the ancient times, people used to measure with a palm, with a foot, how many steps, or with the help of um, the stick and all that. But later on, they came with a metric system, in which we use several units to measure things and capacities or mass like that. Now you will say that it will be very difficult for you to learn this kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, but there is one solution for this. You can learn this mnemonic and you will be easily able to write this table by yourself. The only thing which you need to learn is that King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Now you will say that how can this king die by having a chocolate milk? Now that king had a diabetes and he was having chocolate milk whole day, in the morning, in breakfast, in lunch, every time when he used to have a meal or something, he used to have that chocolate milk. And one day what happened, he died by having that chocolate milk. Now let's not talk about that, we'll learn this metric system. Now over here, king, that means it will start with K, kilometer, H, hectometer, D, decameter. Then there is a base unit which is a standard unit of length, which is meter, then decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Similarly, for weight we have kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Then for volume, that means capacity, we have kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and millimeter. Now these these three units, which is from kilo to deca, these all are the higher units, right? This is the base unit, which is the standard unit, and these all from decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, these all are the lower units. So you have to be very clear with this unit, that kilometer, hectometer, decameter, all these are the higher units, and this is the base unit, standard unit we can say, and these all decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, these all are the lower units. Now you will say that where do we use these things in our daily life? Like if you go to buy a sugar or a rice in a grocery shop, you will say to that particular person who is giving such things over there, you will say that you want 1 kg of rice. Then you know that 1 kg. If you go to buy a milk, you will say that 1 liter. If you go to fill a petrol in your car or in your bike, right, in a bike tank, so that will be in liter. So these all things are connected to our daily lives, right? Now suppose if you hold your perfume bottle or your deo, over there you will see that ml is written over there. So these all things makes a difference between ml and liter and centiliter, all these things, right? Now we are going to learn about how we can convert these units to the lower units and the higher units. Now over here we have one question, which is 1 kilometer in, we have to convert 1 kilometer in decameter. Now 1 kilometer we have over here, 1 kilometer we have to convert it into decameter. So we will jump two times, 1 2. So we have to multiply this 1 by 100. So 1 kilometer is equal to 100 decameter. Now we have the question 89 dm in hm, decimeter in hectometer, decimeter in hectometer. So we will go to the left hand side, 1 2 and 3 times we will move, right? 3 times to the left hand side. When you go to the left hand side, you have to divide. When you go to the right hand side, you have to multiply. You have to be very clear with this, that when you go to the left side, you have to divide, and when you go to the right side, you have to multiply. Now over here we went from decimeter to hectometer, right? So we have to divide it by 1000. So what do we get over here? We'll get 0.089 hectometer. Now the next question is 32.96 millimeter in m, in meter, millimeter in m, meter. So we will again go to the left side, 1 2 3, right? 1 2 and 3 times. 3 times we will go to the left side. So divide by again 1000. So when we'll divide by 1000, this point will move to the left side. Previously we had the point over here, right? Over here we have the point. Then this point will move 3 times, 1 2 and 3. The point will come over here. So this way you will get the answer. Now the next question is 9000 decimeter in kilometer, decimeter in kilometer. So again from the left hand side, right hand side, you go to the right hand side, right? From the right hand side, sorry, from the right hand side you have to go to the left hand side. So decimeter to kilometer, right? So 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4, 4 times. So 40, divide by 10,000. So we will get this 0.9 kilometers. Now again we have 56 decameter in centimeter. We have to convert decameter to centimeter, decameter to centimeter. So we'll go to the right hand side, 1 2 3, 3 times. So multiply by what? 1000. We will get 56,000. Similarly you have to do all these things, right? You have to convert. Simple is that when you go to the right hand side, you have to multiply. How many times you are going? You are going 3 times, then you have to apply 3 zeros. If you are jumping 4 times or 5 times, you have to multiply with 1 followed by 5 zeros or 4 zeros. How many times you are jumping, that matters, right? And if you are going to the left hand side, you have to divide, right? If you are going from the right side to the left side, you have to divide. Clear with this? Now we have the next topic, which is expressed in liter, deciliter, centiliter, in ml, milliliter. Now what you have to do, this point is separating, this point, this particular point which I have applied is separating these all the units, these all the lower units from this standard unit, which is liter, right? So we will write 652 liter, then 1 dl, 2 cl and 3 ml. Again 0 has no value, so we are not going to write anything about liter. And then 5 dl and 0 again does not have any value, we are not going to write. Again we'll write 3 ml. Similarly we'll write 1 liter, 2 dl, 5 cl and 6 ml. Now let's come to this question number 2, which is using decimal notations expressed in kg. Now what you have to do, you have to combine all these units and you have to write in decimal notation. So what we'll write, this kg is separating, this kg is separating all these units, right? You have to put the point after kg, 561.258 kg. That is the answer. Now we don't have anything for kg, again we don't have anything for hg, we are directly having dag, that is 4 dag and 6 gram, 4 decagram and 6 gram. So we will write 0 in place of kg, again 0 in place of hg, and then we'll write 4 and then we'll write 6, that means 0.046 kg. Now again we have 56 kg and 9 gram. 56 kg, we have this 56 kg and we have this 9 gram. So at the place of 56, 56 is in kg's place, so 56.009. We don't have anything for hg and for dag, so we are going to write 56.009 kg. Similarly you have to do this question number 4. Now let's come to this addition, right? No, this we have question number 3, which is expressed in meters and centimeters. You know 1 meter is equal to, what do you mean by 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we have to separate this meter and this centimeter. This point is separating both the units, so we'll write 982 meter and 14 centimeter. Again we have 15 meter and 3 centimeter. Then we have 698 meter and 40 centimeter, and then we have nothing for meter, so we'll simply write 4 centimeter. Now let's come to addition. Now addition is same as you are already have done earlier, right? Nothing is different. You just have to add these values. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 will be carried, right, and 1 will be here. So now we'll add this. 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9 and 1 plus 1 2. Similarly you have to do like this. 6 and over here will be 9 plus 2 will be 11, and then 10. 1 will be carried. Then 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, and over here 2. Now let's come to subtraction. Now in subtraction, what you need to do, you will see these units. This is KL, kiloliter, and this is liter, right? This is decimeter and this is centimeter, right? But when you are subtracting, you have to see that whether we can subtract subtract this 128 from 3. No, we cannot. So what we are going to do over here, we will have this 1 kiloliter is equal to how many liters? 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter, right? 1000 liter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So what we are going to do, we will add 1000 plus 3, we will get 1003. So we'll cut this 3, we'll write 1003 minus 128, and over here as we took 1 kl from here, we converted 1 kl to liter, we got 1003. So here we'll write 34. Now when we'll subtract, we'll get 875 liter and we'll get 23 kiloliter. So the answer is 23 kl and 875 liter. Now over here you have, wait a second, just a second, let me, now 3 minus 8 is not possible. So what we are going to do, we will take 1 dm from here. So this will be 11 and this will be, we'll convert this 1 dm is equal to, decimeter is equal to what? 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So now what we will do, 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 minus 8, what we will get? We'll get 5 centimeter, and 11 minus 5, we will get 6 decimeter, right? So this is all what we need to do in this chapter, and if you all have any query about this chapter, you can ask us, all the teachers, maths teachers in the period, in the class. We'll explain you, right? Thank you everyone for listening to me. Have a nice day. See, this king became too fat having this chocolate milk, and then he died. It is so. Bye everyone. Bye bye.